Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a food court in a shopping mall. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends choosing lunch from different food stalls. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does the food court give you after you order so you don't have to wait in line? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, look at all these stalls.
I know, there are so many choices here.
Noodles, pizza, tacos, sandwiches, sushi. It's a lot.
I love this food court, but it's hard to pick just one place.
There are so many choices, I don't even know where to start.
Same here. My eyes keep moving from sign to sign.
Every smell is different too. It's making me hungrier.
Me too. Okay, let's think about this.
We could walk around first and look at every stall.
That takes too long, and by the time we finish walking, we'll be even more hungry.
True. I have a hard time deciding when there are this many choices.
Me too. Last time, I stood here for 10 minutes and still didn't choose.
I remember that. You almost missed lunch.
I know. Let's not do that again today.
Okay, so what's your plan?
I have an idea. Let's pick different things. You choose one stall and I choose another.
Then we both eat different food?
Right, but after that we share. We each try a little of both.
Oh, that's smart. We get to taste two things instead of one.
Exactly. It's more fun that way, and neither of us feels like we missed out.
I like that. It also means we don't have to agree on one place.
Right. We can each choose what we want to eat.
Okay, I'm in. That way we both get exactly what we're in the mood for.
Right. No more standing here for 10 minutes trying to agree.
Deal. So what should I get?
You always like noodles. Go to that stall over there. The line isn't too long.
Good idea. What about you?
I want something different today. Maybe that Mexican place near the window.
That sounds good. I've never tried it.
Me neither, actually. That's why I want to try it today.
Perfect. Let's meet back at a table when we're done.
Sounds good. See you back here soon.
Will do. See you in a few minutes.
See you soon. Don't forget to share.
I won't forget. That's the whole plan.
Hi there, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi. I'd like a bowl of noodles, please.
Great choice. Do you want chicken, beef, or just vegetables?
Chicken, please.
Okay, and how spicy do you want it? Mild, medium, or hot?
Mild, please. I don't like it too spicy.
No problem. A lot of people ask for mild. It's still full of flavor.
Good. I don't want to cry while I eat.
Don't worry, mild is safe. Now, do you want any extra toppings?
What toppings do you have?
We have boiled eggs, extra vegetables, fried onions, and fresh herbs.
Can I get a boiled egg and extra vegetables?
Of course. Would you like the fresh herbs too? Most people love them.
Sure, why not? Let's add those as well.
Great choice. That will be $9.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order number is 32.
Should I wait here?
No, you don't have to. Here, take this buzzer.
What does it do?
This will light up and shake when your food is ready. You don't need to wait in line.
Oh, that's great. So I can sit down first?
Yes, go find a table. When it shakes, come back and get your food.
That's really helpful. I hate standing in a long line.
A lot of customers feel the same way. That's why we use these buzzers.
How far can I go with it? Can I sit anywhere in the food court?
Yes, anywhere here. It works from far away.
That's really useful. Thank you.
A lot of customers walk around and shop while they wait.
That's a good use of time. I might just sit and relax instead.
That works too. You're welcome. It usually takes about 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Got it.
If you have any questions, just come back and ask.
I will. Thanks again.
Enjoy your lunch.
I'm sure I will. This place smells amazing.
Thank you. Come back again soon.
Hello. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a burrito, please.
Great. We make everything fresh right in front of you.
Oh, nice. So I can see everything?
Yes, just point to what you want as we go down the line.
Okay, let's start.
First, do you want a small or large tortilla?
Large, please. I'm hungry.
Good choice. Next, do you want rice or no rice?
Rice, please.
Now, black beans or no beans?
Beans, please.
Now for the meat. Chicken, beef, or no meat at all?
Chicken, please.
What about vegetables? We have onions, peppers, and corn.
Can I have all three?
Sure, no problem. A lot of people like all three together.
Sounds great.
Now for the sauce. Mild, medium, or hot?
Medium, please. I like a little heat, but not too much.
Medium is a good choice. It has flavor without being too strong.
Good. I trust your suggestion.
And the last step, do you want cheese on top?
Yes, please. Just a little.
Perfect. I'm rolling it up now.
Wow, that was fast.
We move quickly because you can see and choose everything as we go.
I love that. I always know exactly what's inside.
That's the idea. No surprises, just what you like.
Do you make anything besides burritos here?
Yes, we also make tacos and rice bowls with the same ingredients.
Oh, I'll try a taco next time.
Come back anytime. We're here every day.
How long have you worked here?
About 3 years now. I like meeting new people every day.
That's nice. Do a lot of people order the same thing as me?
Chicken burritos are our most popular order. You picked a good one.
Good to know. I made the right choice then.
You did. And medium sauce is also a favorite with our customers.
I'll remember that for next time.
Great. We also have fresh lime and salsa if you want extra flavor.
Maybe next time I'll try the salsa too.
Sounds good.
How much is it?
That's $8.50.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy your burrito.
I will. This smells so good already.
Come back and see us again.
My buzzer just shaking.
That's your noodles. I'll wait right here with my burrito.
Okay, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Take your time. I'm not going anywhere with this heavy tray.
I'm back. Here's my bowl of noodles.
And here's my burrito. It looks so big.
That's a lot of food.
I know. I couldn't say no to all those toppings.
Your burrito smells great.
Thanks. Your noodles look really good too.
They smell amazing. I'm excited to eat.
How was the line at the noodle stall?
Not bad. May said the buzzer usually takes about 5 minutes.
That's not too long. The line at Carlos's stall moved fast too.
It's nice that neither of us had to wait long.
I like this food court because everything looks so fresh.
Same here. Carlos made your burrito right in front of you, right?
Yes, I watched every step of it. That's why it looks so good.
I could smell the sauce from across the food court.
Me too. But you know, I saw another stall on the way here.
Which one?
A sushi stall near the window. Maybe next time.
We just got our food and you already want more?
Not right now, but next time I want to try it myself.
Deal. There's always next time.
Let's go find a table before this gets cold.
Good idea. Lead the way. Wow, it's so crowded in here.
I know, every table looks full.
It's lunchtime. Everyone has the same idea as us.
Let's walk around and look for an open seat.
Over there, is that table free?
No, someone left their bag on it. Someone is using that seat.
Oh, I didn't notice. Let's keep looking.
What about that big table near the window?
There are people sitting there already.
We could ask if we can share it.
Maybe, but I'd rather find our own table.
Okay, let's check the other side of the food court.
This is harder than choosing our food.
You're right. Everyone wants a table at the same time.
I think lunchtime is the busiest hour here.
It must be. Every seat in this place is taken.
Even the small tables near the door are full.
Let's check near the play area. There might be extra seats there.
Actually, families with kids usually sit close to that area. It might be just as crowded.
Good point. Let's try the other side instead. There might be more open tables over there.
My arms are getting tired from holding this tray.
Mine too. Let's hurry before the food gets cold.
Wait, look over there. 2 people are standing up.
Yes, let's go before someone else takes it.
Quick, follow me.
We made it.
Finally, a table.
That felt like a race.
It really did, but we won.
Let's sit down before our food gets cold.
Good idea. I'm very hungry now.
Me too. This table even has a nice view of the food court.
Perfect. We can watch people walk by while we eat.
Next time, maybe we should come a little earlier.
Good idea. Before noon, it's probably much quieter.
Let's remember that for next time.
Or maybe we should just bring our own chairs.
That might actually work better than racing for a table.
Now we can finally eat.
And relax for a few minutes.
Best part of the day.
Okay, this is the moment we planned for.
Time to share. Here, try some of my noodles.
Thank you. And try a bite of my burrito.
This is delicious. The sauce is so good.
I know, right? Carlos made it perfectly.
What do you think of the noodles?
Oh, wow. This is really tasty. The soup is warm and light.
I picked mild, so it's not too spicy for me.
I can taste the chicken and the egg, too. It's a great mix.
Thanks. May helped me choose the toppings.
This burrito has so much inside. Rice, beans, chicken, and vegetables.
I like that you could see everything before it was made.
Yes, and it's still warm and fresh.
This is why sharing is a good idea, right?
Exactly. Now I understand why so many people do this here.
We got to try 2 totally different meals.
And we didn't have to choose just one.
If we came alone, each of us could try only 1 meal.
True. This way, lunch feels like 2 meals in one.
I think I like your burrito even more than my noodles now.
Don't say that too loud. Mai might hear you.
Don't worry, I still love the noodles too.
By the way, how does that buzzer actually work?
May said it's connected to the kitchen. When my order's ready, someone presses a button and it shakes.
That's clever. No shouting numbers across the food court.
Exactly, and it works from anywhere in here, so we could sit far away and still get it.
I like that better than waiting in a long line.
Me too. My burrito's sauce is actually spicier than I expected, by the way.
Really? I thought medium sounded mild.
No, it's really spicy. Your mild noodles are much milder than this.
I guess we both picked the right spice level for our own taste.
Next time, maybe I should try medium instead of mild.
You should. It's not too strong, just a little more flavor.
I might ask May for medium and see how it feels.
I bet you'll like it. A little heat makes the noodles even better.
We did. This has been a really fun lunch.
It has. Sharing food always makes the meal more fun.
So many choices here, but sharing made it easy to enjoy them all.
The best way to enjoy a food court.
I agree.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does the food court give you after you order so you don't have to wait in line? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.